make money without showing your face? Hey, what if I told you there's a way to build an online business, make money, and never have to show your face? No products to create, no inventory, no customer service headaches. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. It's called Ghost Commerce, and it's one of the most powerful ways to make money online right now. In this video, I'll break down exactly what Ghost Commerce is, how it works, and how you can get started, even if you have no experience. Stay with me till the end because this might just be the game changer you've been looking for. What is Ghost Commerce? Alright, so what exactly is Ghost Commerce? It's basically affiliate marketing on steroids, but with a twist. Instead of building a personal brand or being the face of the business, you're completely behind the scenes. You promote products or services, but you don't create them, store them, or ship them. And you don't even have to reveal your identity. The best part, companies will pay you commissions every time someone buys through your recommendation. Think of it like being the middleman in a massive online economy, but without all the usual headaches of running a business. And no, you don't need a huge audience. You don't need fancy tech skills. You just need the right strategy. How does it work? Now let's break this down into 3 simple steps so you can see exactly how it works. 1. Find high converting offers. First, you need to find products that already sell well and offer good commissions. Think about things people already buy, like software, courses, digital tools, or everyday products. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore24, or private company partnerships. The goal? Find evergreen products, things people will always need. 2. Create content that drives traffic. Now, this is where the magic happens. Instead of being the face, you create content that drives sales behind the scenes. Here's how. AI-generated blogs, websites rank on Google 24/7, bringing in traffic without you needing to be there. Faceless YouTube channels, using AI voiceovers, stock videos, or slideshow-style content to promote products. Social media automation, Instagram pages, TikTok accounts, and Pinterest boards built around a niche. Your job? Create value-driven content that leads people to the products you're promoting. 3. Get paid on autopilot. Once you've got your content up and running, the system starts working for you. Someone sees your content, clicks your link, buys the product, you get paid. And the best part? This runs 24/7. Whether you're working, sleeping, or on vacation, your digital assets keep making money for you. Why? Ghost Commerce is a game changer. So why is this better than traditional business models? No customer service headaches. You don't deal with refunds, complaints, or inventory. Low upfront costs. No need to buy stock or run expensive ads. Scalable. Once you get a few sales, you can scale it up without extra work. This is why Ghost Commerce is perfect for beginners. It lets you start making money online without having to be an influencer or show your face. Final takeaways and call to action. So let's recap. Ghost Commerce is the future of online income. You don't need a big following, just the right strategy. The best way to start? Find high converting offers, create content, and drive traffic. If this sounds like something you want to dive deeper into, I've got you covered. Head over to andrewplymmer.com, where I break this down step by step, share free resources, and help you start building your own digital empire. Let me know in the comments. Does Ghost Commerce sound like something you'd try? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.